because it's on a timer. I'm trying to get time.
Oh. Oh, why did you say that? We did it.
I did, yeah. Actually, we did. I fucked up. All right.
Life of a TikToker. It is Sunday, Valentine's Day, February 14th, and it's like almost 8 a.m. and I am gonna go pick up one of my friends and we are gonna go explore today. So I have never been to Joshua Tree and it's Sunday. So let's explore and see what Joshua Tree has to offer. Yep, that's not gonna get us anywhere. Let's get some gas. Okay, so my friend overslept and I sat there just on my phone playing a game, hoping that he would see my text message. I'm at a red light. And whatever. I ended up just getting Starbucks for us, sandwiches. I'm heading back. He should be ready. So if I was one of those people that was like so like hell-bent on time, I'd be like, we're late. But that's the whole point of a road trip, is just exploring, a day trip. So once I get in my car and I leave, I don't care really what happens the rest of the day. So he's gonna be like, I'm so sorry, blah, 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 blah. And I'm over here like, drink your coffee, I don't care. So I want to get one of these, just so you guys know, because that is fire. This is so cool. This school bus, it's definitely renovated, because you can see like the blinds over here, and then they have that, which they'll most likely take down, or they stay on top of it to like watch like stars and stuff. And then they have that on the back for like off-roading. This thing is sweet. So we're close to Joshua Tree, or we're driving through the desert, and there's like nothing. There's literally like nothing. We were just driving on like one of the like the main roads, and I just saw like a dirt road, so I pulled over on it, and there was 2 mailboxes at the end. So we just came up from this way, and I didn't really know what to expect down there, so there was still a little bit of ways to go, but look at this. Woohoo! Super windy, holy crap. And I'm standing on top of my car. There could be. I don't know what to do. Okay, we finally found the park, and they gave us a little guide. We're about to get so lost. Desert exploring, and this guy,
There's no trash can?
There's no trash can in the desert.
I didn't want to litter.
I didn't know I brought the Aladdin singer today.
Prince Aladdin.
I'm tired.
Yeah, you know, cause leaving on the streets,
We're up higher and it's way windier up here. Holy! I don't know if y'all can see. Might not look like much, but we went all the way up there.
Thank you.
To get closer to all of these rocks and see if we can find like a cool like little cave or nook or something, because other than that, just a bunch of trees, sand, and rock mountains. I want to see, I don't know, I want to see something cool. Like I want to crawl through a little crevice and get to like the other side, and then boom, there's water. I don't know. We'll see. But we're in the middle of the desert, but we just came to a dead end. There's a fence. Is a restricted area? Will we die if we go for it? Dang. This is really nice. You guys, look at this. We paid $30 to come here, okay? And then look. I'm not trespassing. I paid to be here. The heck? Rude. See this?
Oh wait, no trespassing.
No.
Wait, I don't think you.
I mean, what's the worst that can happen? This is actually like really cool. These are all like awesome metal sculptures. Or we're just driving like on the side of the road. Or we're just driving. He's been trying to do a TikTok for the longest time. There's always just like something random.
It's what I need, but it's what I want, gotta cover me. I don't wish you well, and you ain't with me. I want you crying.
Found a road that's supposed to bring us to some lake, and all I see is dirt and RVs. Look, they got the idea. RV life. RV life. Oh, that's great. What were you just saying?
I was saying I thought we were on water because when we were driving, you were like, oh my gosh, Gene, we on water. And I'm like, what you mean we on water? Like, Linda, you better stop the car. I thought we was on water and I thought we were going to sink, but it's all dry land. You got to tell me that. You can't just tell me while I'm on my phone, or we approaching the lake. I'm like, nigga, what you think we on water? I ain't trying to be racist, but you know.
I scared him. I got him. This is crazy. I found the lake. And I drove right over it. Look. It dried up. This is supposed to be a Coyote Lake. And there's literally not an ounce of water. And it is like dry. Holy, that's crazy. Wow, this is insane. Like, it's literally super dried up. And you can see like the tire marks. So of course, whenever it was like starting to dry up and it was muddy, and then it must have had like a super hot day, and then it's just completely like, it's almost as hard as actual cement, and it's just dirt. It's that compact and that, like, wow. As you guys can see, I'm not lying. I screenshot where I was. Sorry, my mind is blown right now. And this background with the clouds is actually really dope. It's totally not a lake, you guys. Found barbecues. I want to get cold. This is so cool. Huh? I just wanted to record it. I think we can go over there. How do we get in there? I feel like you're about to beat somebody up, like ninja style.
Let me see.
Oh, I love the sky. I just want to like see past this one if there's anything. Oh wow, I was still recording. Hi guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in next week to see where I go.